In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to press Enter in Excel and stay in the same cell. This is a really useful trick when you're working with longer text inside a single cell, like notes, addresses, or any content that needs to be on multiple lines. By default, when you press Enter in Excel, the cursor moves down to the next cell. That's great for data entry, but not so great when you just want a new line of text in the same place. Let's walk through exactly how to do this. First, click on the cell where you want to type your text. You can either start fresh in an empty cell, or edit an existing one by double-clicking it, or selecting it and pressing F2 on your keyboard. Once your cursor is inside the cell and you're ready to type, go ahead and enter your first line of text, just like you normally would. Now, instead of pressing Enter, you're going to use a keyboard shortcut. On Windows, hold down the Alt key and then press Enter. On a Mac, hold down Option and press Return. You should now see your cursor jump to a new line inside the same cell, rather than moving to a different cell. Type your next line of text and repeat the same shortcut each time you want to add another line. Alt plus Enter on Windows, or Option plus Return on Mac. Every time you do this, Excel creates what's called a line break within that single cell. If you don't immediately see the text wrap onto a new line, you might need to enable text wrapping. With the cell selected, go to the Home tab, look for the option labeled Wrap Text, and click it. Once wrapping is turned on, all of those line breaks will show properly, each on its own line inside the cell. You can also adjust the row height if your lines look cramped. Just hover your mouse over the bottom border of the row number on the left and drag it down to give your text some more space. Finally, when you're done typing all your lines, press the regular Enter key once to confirm your changes. You'll stay in the worksheet, and the cell will now display all your lines neatly stacked inside. And that's all there is to it. Use Alt plus Enter on Windows or Option plus Return on Mac to press Enter in Excel while staying in the same cell.